Hi guys, my name is Sanjay Kambarik and today I am going to tell you an excellent topic. The topic name is importance of human body. You know guys, God is almighty, God is omnipresent, God is omniscient, God is great. God created mountain, fountain, river, soil, sun, moon, everything. And God also created the animals, birds, insects. And but God thought all are good for nothing. So that's why God created the unique animal in the universe, that is human. And this human body is made of tiny particles called cells. A group of cells and make a organ, and group of organ make a body. And this body is divided into two types, that is external part of the body and internal part of the body. And the part of the body that we can see from the outside is called external part of the body, and the part of the body that we cannot see from the outside, that is called internal part of the body. I am explaining one by one that about the external part of the body. You know guys, there are two eyes on our body and which help us to see the beautiful creation of the God and communicate with the others. There are two ears on our body which help us to hear the sound and communicate with the others. There is a nose which help us to breathe in, breathe out and know the good smell and bad smell. You know guys, and there are two hands on our body which help us to clap, slap, punch, pinch and write and work, etc. And there are two legs on our body which help us to walk, run, jump, hop, kick and protect our life. You know, that skin is the largest part of the body which protect our body from the outside dust and germs, etc. and create a beautiful shape. I would like to say there are 10 fingers and 10 toes and which help us to catch the things and or pick up the things. So I want to say there are also so many internal organs in our body like brain, kidney, heart, liver, stomach, pancreas, etc. But I am explaining one by one. You know that there is a brain and which contain three parts, that is cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and cerebellum is the smallest part of the brain, and medulla is not a brain but work like a brain in the emergency cases. And cerebrum record all the things that we listen, and cerebellum and give the order to the parts of the body. And I would like to say in the same way there are two lungs in our under the chest in our body and which air the oxygen in the blood. You know that there is a heart and which is pumping the blood to all part of the body. It work like a water pump, and the lungs work like a water air filter, and there are two kidneys in our body which filter the water and blood, and it work like a water filter. You know guys, I would like to say there is a liver which secrete the bile juice and to aid the food to digest, and you know that there is a pancreas and which release the pancreatic juice for the digestion. And there are 206 bones and 500 muscles in our body and which are attached to each other to make a beautiful shape. I would like to say that there is a stomach which stores the food for the digestion, and after the digestion the food goes into the two parts, that is large intestine and small intestine. The food goes into the large intestine and passes through the anus, and the food that goes into the small intestine it turn into the nutrient or convert into the blood. I would like to say human body is the most valuable part of our life, and all the parts are coordinated and correlated among each other, and if one part become damaged then another part automatically damaged, it cannot function. So I would like to say that, and we all should be understand importance of human body. First of all, we should look after the health, and by this way we can enjoy the wealth that we have. Otherwise we cannot achieve happiness of our life. Minded guys, health is wealth. First you look after your health and understand the function of your body parts, and by this way you can get happiness of your life. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Please subscribe my channel.